The NEC resolves to suspend the ongoing strike action for 4 weeks to allow time for follow-up on the implementation of the agreed demands. Number 16, the NEC resolves that failure by the government to implement the aforementioned agreed demands fully will result in lifting the current suspension of the strike action and the resumption of the total, indefinite, and comprehensive strike.
Yes, there are some corrections. SG.
Are we good? Association of Resident Doctors, held virtually on Saturday, 29th November 2025. The National Executive Council of NARD held an extraordinary virtual meeting on
Chief Wale Edun, the Honorable Coordinating Minister for the Economy and Minister of Finance. Number 7, Professor Dr. Shamsuddin Babatunde Ogunjimi, the Accountant General of the Federation. Number 10, Honorable Patrick Umo, Chairman House. Number 11, Honorable Prof.Mgbeke, Chairman House of Representatives Committee, Management Federal Teaching Hospital, Lokoja. Number 13, Mr. Ibrahim VEM, Officer, Medical and Dental Council of Nigeria. Number 15, Professor Femi Sobe-Esan, Registrar, National Nigerian Medical Association. Number 19, Professor Basi MM, the Chairman, Committee of CMDs Attendees. Number 20, long live the Nigerian Association of Resident Doctors. Long live the Nigerian Medical. Thank you very much. So the PS. There's a House of Reps committee report that said reinstate the disengaged people in the government. Now there's a, as a Prime Minister of Health, they need to sit down, study the report, and put in mechanisms to implement. I think it's important that these are some of the considerations that NEC, we understand that NEC looked at this to say, let us suspend this strike. With respect to the Council of Nigeria was represented, the National Postgraduate Medical College of Nigeria, the Ministry of Labour, it wasn't just the minister, the permanent secretary was in all meetings. The Director of Labour and Industrial Relations was there, to give us the necessary support, to also call on his rogue doctors that went to go and engage government. It is NARD